Hello, moneymakers. While you are thinking about what you will eat for dinner, there is someone your age who uploaded 3 videos on YouTube and made more money than your monthly salary. This is true, and here is how. Check out this channel named Meld. They have just uploaded 2 videos and have gained 16,000 subscribers, and one of their videos has got more than 350,000 views so far. Now look at another named Atrium. They uploaded just 4 videos and have got more than 10 million views so far on their channel. These channels are not uploading short videos. These are long videos, and multiple ads are served when the video is played. More ads will bring more revenue to the channel. I have been working for 1 month with my team and have analyzed over 50 channels so far. What I found is that these channels are using 3D videos with real footage followed by AI voiceovers. But then I got to know that creating 3D videos is not easy, so we have worked and found a way to create these videos for free with the help of AI. In this video, I have shared the complete blueprint on how to create a channel like this and make money with YouTube videos. Alright, so now grab a cup of coffee and watch this video till the end. And if you're serious about mastering AI content creation, I've put together a complete course inside my private school community. For a one-time payment of just $149, you'll get lifetime access to everything. All my in-depth courses, weekly live coaching calls, and a growing network of like-minded creators who are building and scaling with AI. If you're ready to level up and invest in yourself, the link is waiting for you in the description. Alright, let's get back to the video. Alright, so let's start step by step. I've already figured out everything: how to write the script, how to create 3D animations, and everything else. So stay with me till the end. Alright, first let's analyze this channel. As you can see from the topics on this channel, they create documentary-style videos on all kinds of topics. So we'll consider this niche as the documentary niche. Now let's move to the video creation process. First, we need to think about what topics we want to make videos on. We should mostly choose documentary topics that are unique, create curiosity, and keep people engaged on our channel. You can also go for trending topics. For example, when the Trump topic was all over the news, these channels quickly made a video on it and attracted a lot of views from that one video. In the same way, you should also pick trending topics. Alright, now if you still don't understand what to do, you can use ChatGPT. Just go to ChatGPT and type, "Analyze these channels." Then copy the links of all those channels that make 3D videos and give them to ChatGPT. This step is very important because it helps ChatGPT understand the complete overview of those kinds of channels. So later, it can give you better responses to your prompts. Alright, now the first thing we need is topics for our videos. As I said before, if a topic is currently trending or is in the news a lot, then you should definitely pick that one. Otherwise, go to each channel, take screenshots of the topics they've covered, and then upload those screenshots to ChatGPT. After that, write, "These are the topics they have covered on their channel." Then ChatGPT will analyze those topics for you. After that, you need to give this prompt. I want you to write viral ideas that are true stories based on these videos that went viral on these different channels on YouTube. Come up with at least 10 viral ideas. I've added this prompt to my Google Doc. You can access it by joining the Telegram or WhatsApp channel given in the description box below. As you can see, ChatGPT has given us video ideas. In the same way, you can generate as many ideas as you want on any topic. Alright, now just to show you the process of video creation, I'll choose one of these topics. So I'll go with this one: the richest serial killer in history. And that's it. Our topic selection is complete. Now we need a well-formatted and engaging script that can hold the audience's attention from start to end. So all you have to do is copy your topic, then go back to my Google Doc and add your topic into this prompt. Guys, this is not just an ordinary prompt. I watched videos from these reference channels, gave all the information to ChatGPT, tried many different prompts, and spent hours perfecting it to create a prompt that generates the perfect script, just like the reference channels. And I'm giving you all this, the prompt and the information, and for free. But still, some people don't like my videos or subscribe to my channel. That's not fair, guys. Please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Alright, so now copy the script prompt and give it to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will generate a well-structured script for you. Now you can read it and modify it however you like. And just like that, our script is ready. Let's move on to the next step. Step 3, voiceover. For that, We will use ElevenLabs, which gives you 10,000 free credits per month. Of course, that's not enough for a full channel, but it's still useful. You'll get an extra 10,000 credits to use. Alright, so open ElevenLabs and sign into your account. Then go to the voice library and explore different voices. Use the filters to choose the language, category, quality, and gender. I'll go with the Donovan voice from the conversational section. I think it fits better. Now copy the script from ChatGPT and paste it here. I'll create only a 1 or 2 minute audio just for the demo video. Then hit Generate Dash. And that's it. Your voiceover is ready. Now let's move on to the most important step of the process. Step 4. Creating 3D images. Alright, now let me show you how you can create this unique 3D style graphic. First, we'll create a perfect prompt with ChatGPT, then generate images, and finally we'll convert them into a video. So again, go back to my Google Doc and copy this prompt. I've created a perfect prompt that gives you exactly the kind of prompts needed for generating images, which is one of the most important parts of this process. Once you've copied the prompt, paste it into ChatGPT along with the first paragraph of your script. You have to generate prompts one by one for each paragraph so that ChatGPT doesn't get confused or mess things up. And here we go. ChatGPT just gave me 20 prompts for the first paragraph with camera angles, lighting, mood, and all these details. You can generate as many as you want. Now let's move on to generating the images. Let's copy one of these prompts. I'll open another chat in ChatGPT to make sure it doesn't mess up the ongoing process. Now paste the prompt and write, generate image in 16:9. And there we go. Our image is ready. You can also try other image tools, but in my opinion, ChatGPT gives the best results among all of them. Now let's generate the next one. Oops, I forgot to write 16:9. But look at the result, it was still awesome. This way, create all the images one by one using ChatGPT and download them to your computer. After generating the images, to make your video more realistic, also collect some real footage and images from Google. Make sure to use copyright-free ones. Since my story is about the famous serial killer H.H. Holmes, I'll collect some images of that person and relate it to his case. So, these are the images I created using ChatGPT. Now we need to convert these images into videos, which will take our video to the next level. For that, I'll be using Leonardo AI. Once you go to Leonardo AI, click on Video from the dashboard. Now choose Motion 1.0 model if you want to make videos using fewer credits. Or if you want a video with specific camera angles, then choose Motion 2.0. Now, I'll upload the first image and hit Generate. And here we go. Our first video is ready. Look at this video. It gives a perfect 3D video look, right? Now let's create another one. I'll upload this image and hit Generate. And here's the second video result. Now let's try generating one video using Motion 2.0 to see the result. Let's choose Motion from the available options. I'll go with this one. Let's hit Generate and see the result. Awesome, right? In this way, convert all your images into videos one by one. Use Motion 1.0 where simple motion is enough, and for more complex images, use the Motion 2.0 model. And that's it. Now you have high-quality 3D video scenes. Now let's move to the next and final step, editing. But before that, download some documentary-style cinematic background music from the YouTube audio library. Also, before we move ahead, please like and subscribe to this channel. As you know, last week I did a giveaway, and these 5 people were the winners. And this week too, whoever likes and comments on this video, 5 lucky winners will get free access to my school community. In that community, you'll not only get access to my YouTube automation courses, but also a chance to join me in 2 weekly live group calls. So comment fast and be part of my community. Now let's get back to the video. Alright, I'll be using CapCut for the editing, but you can choose any editing software you prefer. Now open CapCut and import all the videos, images, audio, and background music. First, drag the voiceover into the timeline. Then you can adjust the volume and speed. After that, add all the videos one by one in the upper layer. Select 16:9 from the options and adjust the video into this frame. You can also add animation to bring more movement. You can slow down the video to make it longer. In this way, add images and videos according to your audio. Make sure your video and images are perfectly synchronized with the audio. Then you can also add zoom in and zoom out effects by using keyframes, like this. And this is how it will look. Looks amazing, right? You can adjust the keyframe based on your scene. Also, you can add some stock footage related to your script in between scenes. You'll find free stock footage on Canva and Pexels. Now let's add the background music we downloaded from the YouTube audio library. You can also find sound effects in CapCut's music library. Just make sure not to use any copyrighted music from there. Then, one by one, add transitions between all the clips and videos. Explore the transitions and add the one that fits best. Don't use any funky ones. However, you can also try some effects from here. You'll find many options like movie effect and more. After that, add some text wherever needed. You'll find lots of templates. Use them to make your video look even cooler. For example, here I'll write H.H. Holmes, the killer's name. Finally, you can also add subtitles. Click on Auto Caption, choose the language, and hit Generate. Now pick a simple style. I'll go with this one, and that's it. Our video is ready to be uploaded. This is how you can create a viral 3D scene documentary in just a few simple steps and reach millions of views. Now let's check out our demo video.
It was a hot summer day in Chicago. The air was sticky, the sky covered in smoke, and the noise of trains and machines filled the city. Just a few miles away from the beautiful buildings and fountains of the 1893 World's Fair, there was another building, one that looked like a hotel but was made for something much darker. On the outside, it had a pharmacy at the front and clean rooms upstairs. But underneath, it was a maze of twisting hallways, fake doors, and burning furnaces. People thought it was just a place to stay, but history now knows it as a place built for death. And the man behind it, the owner, the designer, and the smiling host, was someone who looked like a doctor or businessman. But he was also one of America's first serial killers. His name was H.H. Holmes. Born Herman Webster Mudgett, Holmes didn't just kill for lust or rage. He killed like a man managing assets. With the meticulousness of a banker and the charisma of a preacher, he walked through life sealing deals, seducing women, and vanishing them like ledger entries. When he arrived in Chicago in 1886, he was just another smooth-talking fraud with forged degrees and dead-eyed ambition. But the city was growing fast, buildings rising faster than anyone could keep track, and money changing hands quicker than morality could catch up.